Hello, I'm AIDY, your new Adash colleague for vibration analysis, predictive maintenance, and Adash instruments. You can find me on Adash website. I speak your language. I've seen hundreds of real cases, so my answers are clear, fast, and practical. Ask me anything about Adash tools or vibration analysis. I turn questions into action. Checklists, measurement parameters, device settings, decision gates with real numbers, safety notes, and one-page reports, and more. Send me a photo of your machine. I recognize the assembly and recommend best practices for your machine type.
Here is my key capabilities: diagnostic help, data interpretation, product-specific questions, setup and configuration, maintenance and planning, learning and training, sales and product matching.
Rolling out predictive maintenance in your factory? I'll map the path, what to measure, how often, limits, reporting so your team knows exactly what to do. Let's try a real example, an unbalanced fan. Together, we'll rule out resonance, misalignment, or looseness. Confirm the unbalance, then go step by step through balancing safely and confidently. I speed up decisions, standardize outputs, and help cut unplanned downtime while you stay in control. Let's make maintenance calmer, safer, and faster. I'm AIDY, your smart colleague at Adash.